Hello, Taurus Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Thank you nga po pala sa mga likes and subscriptions and good comments niyo po sa mga past readings for Taurus. I also want to thank po yung mga hindi nag-skip ng ads sa ating mga videos. Yan po isa sa mga malaking paraan para patuloy po tayo na makapag-tarot reading sa YouTube ng libre para po sa inyo. So, sa lahat po ng hindi nag-skip ng ads, babalik po sa inyo yung abundance and prosperity tenfold. So, I'm very, very thankful and grateful po sa inyong lahat. So, let's start na po your weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Taurus. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use po your intuition para po makuha nyo akmang messages for you this week. At the center of your reading, you have the Strength card. Wow, beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Five of Cups. In the area of what you need, you have the Chariot card. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In the area of your recent past, you have the High Priestess. In the area of your near future, you have the Justice card. Wow, ang ganda nito ah. And your challenge this week, Taurus, you have the Queen of Pentacles. Nurturing, nurturing. In your good fortune this week, you have the Hierophant. Iba kasi itong card na to, dito, the High Priest. Pero sa original tarot cards, ito ay the Hierophant. So, it's same lang naman. Iba lang ang name dito sa card na to. So, yung guidance from the advice from the guides, spirit guides, you have the Page of Pentacles. At the Ace of Cups. Wow, ang ganda. And your outcome this week, Taurus, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Beautiful. New simula, new job, new opportunity, pwedeng new promotion, something kaperahan darating sa iyo this week. So pag-usapan natin yan, Taurus. Wow. At the bottom of your deck, Taurus, you have the Six of Wands. Victory. May victory ka this week. Ito yung overall energy mo this week. Kung ano may minanifest mo, o tinrabaho mo, o pinagsikapan mo, o pinagtrabahuhan mo this past few weeks of few months, this week, naramdaman mo na parating na siya, eto na siya, victorious ka, and you will succeed in whatever that you want this week, Taurus. So, just focus lang sa mga bagay na gusto mo makuha at gusto mo marating kasi nandyan na siya. Yung victory card nasa iyo this week. So, congratulations in advance, Taurus. At the center of your reading, we have the Strength card. Time and time again, I'm seeing this infinity card halo symbol sa ulo ng ating babae dito sa Strength card. So, paulit-ulit kang tinest. Paulit-ulit ka na tinatry mo paulit-ulit. If it's about I'm seeing someone na paulit-ulit nag-exam para pumasa sa isang board exam, I think. O kahit anong tests and paulit-ulit mo siyang sinusubukan. And someone, na Taurus dito, you're failing back in the day. O sinusubukan mo pa ulit-ulit ka. I'm seeing someone trying and crying na sana this time. So you have this strength to go for it, move forward, and still reach for those goals. Maraming bumibilib sa'yo kasi hindi ka nawawala ng pag-asa. Laban ka lang ng laban kahit nadadapa o kahit na nag-fail. Someone is really, really rooting for you. I'm seeing parents, I'm seeing friends o best friend na sinasabi sa'yo, kaya mo yan, gawin mo lang ulit o malalagpasan mo yan. So, strength together with a victory card na Six of Wands, pareho. It's all about you proving kung gaano mo kagusto itong bagay na to. And the universe, the God, your guides, your spirit guides are seeing you. Still pushing through and seeing your worth na, ito talaga yung gusto niya. So, ibibigay sa'yo yan. Ibinigay sa'yo ng yung spirit guides saka ni God yung kagustuhan mo because you are resilient and you push through para makuha mo tong victory na to. So, the Strength cards being clarified. But a Page of Swords, yes. It's about you studying, restudying, doing it again, trying to be better. Kung ano man yung kailangan mong gawin, pinag-aaralan mo, if it's about a job o I'm seeing OFW na biglang may mga bagong parating sa trabaho and then you have to relearn things. May pagbabago sa mga posisyon ninyo. I'm seeing someone na nabigyan ng bagong task tapos kailangan patunayan yung sarili. So, you have this strength at saka initiative na, sige, kaya ko yan kahit medyo mahirap o kahit hindi mo alam gawin. Susubukan mo because you have the strength within you and you have the Page of Swords within you na parang willing kang pag-aralan kung ano man yung parating at kung ano yung ibabato sa'yo, kaya mo siyang tanggapin at kaya mo siyang pag-aralan. At kaya mo siyang linangin at pagandahin, di ba? Akit po tayo sa inyong conscious and subconscious area in the position of what you want. You have the Five of Cups. You want to move on from something. Meron mga bagay na hindi mo nakuha o mga bagay na nilet go. See dito itong mermaid, beautiful mermaid ito, nakatingin siya doon sa two cups na to. You wanted not to move forward. And may mga natapon na Three of Cups, meaning may mga nagtapos na, may failures na, o may mga bagay kang ginusto na hindi mo nakuha, o ginusto na hindi pala yun yung para sa'yo. And you realized, yeah, I really have to move on. But you're thinking, paano? And saan magsisimula? So you really have to look around you and see the things na may potential for you to start over, whether halimbawa sa job, look around kung sino pwede mo mahingian ng tulong, kung saan pwedeng may new job, o halimbawa if it's a passion project, look kung ano pang klaseng iba pang bagay na pwede mo ma-pick up in order for you to start. Ito pala may potential tong bagay ito muna ang tatrabahuhin ko. So there are a lot of things in your life right now na pwede mo magamit na may potential. I'm hearing look for the things na may potential, and para makita mo yon, stop dwelling dun sa mga natapos na o sa mga hindi mo nakuha. It happened because may dahilan si God, and you really have to accept that fact na yung mga natapos at mga hindi mo nakuha ay hindi para sa'yo. So move forward. There are new things and new person na darating sa'yo this week. Linggo ng pag-ibig ngayon, Feb 10 to 16. So be hopeful on what's to come and be excited sa mga paparating para sa'yo. So the Five of Cups is being clarified by the Queen of Wands. Yeah, have that confidence and be bold, be excited, love yourself more. Kasi pag mas mahal mo ang sarili mo, mas darating yung mga positive and good things in life. So a grateful heart, a beautiful heart, namamagnet niyan yung mga positive and good things. So sabi ni Queen of Wands, naging confident ka, look good, wag mo isipin yung sinasabi ng ibang tao, search for the things na para sa'yo, your passion, at kung ano yung talaga nakatadhana sa'yo. Just look around and be confident. Once you're confident, ma-attract mo na yung mga opportunities na para sa'yo. In the area of what you need, so this is what you want, pero what you need is a chariot. Kailangan mo daw mag-charge na, dumiretso ka na, umabante ka na. You have to move, you have to take action on this. Kahit sa ang direksyon, you see, nakikita nyo ba? You see, meron siyang two horses. Yung isa papunta sa kabila, yung isa papunta sa kabila. And ikaw yung kumokontrol sa kanila. So nasa kamay mo yung initiative, nasa kamay mo yung power to go wherever you are. Pero ang mahalaga kung saan ka man pumunta, the most important thing is for you to choose and take action on it. Hindi ka pwedeng maging stagnant o huminto because paparating na yung para sa'yo. So you really have to move forward and go for the things that you want. Taurus. So the chariot is being clarified by the Three of Pentacles. You really have to work with other people. If you need, ayan, nahulog na yung aking paso dito. If you really need to move forward and you're thinking paano, saan, kailan, at sino ang dapat ko lapitan, work with the people na nasa industriya mo. If you're a painter, go with the people who paints, or to those museums, or sa mga curators, o sa mga bagay na may kinalaman sa industry mo. So you really have to work with the people na may maalam o merong mentorship o mastery sa bagay na kailangan mong gawin. If it's about your certain job, kung halimbawa katrabaho ka sa City Hall, and then ask for your supervisor or sa mga tao dyan na higher above you so they can guide you dito sa landas, sa goal na gusto mong tahakin. I'm seeing na nahihiya ka o you are not used to asking people for advice, o hindi ka sanay na umasa sa ibang tao because you're very strong and you're very dependable, pero nahihirapan ka mag-depend sa ibang tao. Ang sabi sa iyo ng iyong spirit guides in the area of what you need, you really need to ask for help. Ask for their guidance. Work with other people. Collaborate with the other people. Sa ganung bagay, mas gagaan at mas makikita mo kung saan ka patungo at kung anong dapat mong gawin at kung anong direksyon ang tama mong puntahan. Okay, Taurus? In the area of your recent past, you have the High Priestess. Something that was hidden from you, nalaman mo. There was something in the past that na meron kang nadiskubre o meron kang nalaman tungkol sa ibang tao, and now parang lumabas yung strength sa'yo, strength to move on, strength to go to other things. With the High Priestess, you earned knowledge about something o meron kang nalaman talaga about someone. I'm hearing you learned about a particular truth. isang katotohanan from the past, and that gave you parang a wake-up call na, ito na gagawin ko. And you try to move on on another place or another workspace. I'm hearing na parang tinarantado ka o ginago ka, or basta something was done against you na hindi mo alam kung paano ka nakalaban, pero you tried to move on and you're so resilient, parang kinaya mo na lang yung ginawa ng iba kasi parang pakiramdam ko wala ka naman magagawa. I'm seeing OFWs na may mga other workmates na very toxic o pinagkichismisan ka, and nalaman mo yun, na-discover mo yun, and hindi mo alam kung paano ka alis because that is your work, di ba? Hindi ka naman pwedeng basta-basta na lumipat, di ba? So, nagkaroon ka ng strength to just continue and move forward. I'm also seeing others who are learning the truth about their lover, whether niloko ka o you found out about something that they did in the past. Okay? It's really about truth-seeking. May nalaman ka, something came out of the surface, and you learned something about this person or this job or these people na very toxic o hindi pala totoo sa'yo. So the High Priestess is being clarified by the Page of Wands. Yeah, it's really about news about other people. They did something to you. Parang nawalan ka ng gana, nawalan ka ng fire within you, ng passion, parang naging fearful ka in every step. Naramdaman mo na na parang meron silang against me o meron silang ginagawa against me, and then nagpatuloy ka lang, ginawa mo lang, and parang minamask mo sa trabaho, binibisi mo yung sarili mo in doing other things para hindi mo sila para hindi mo madwell o hindi mo sila ma-engage, ano. So Page of Wands is telling you na at that time you were focused, parang nagsabi ko, dito lang ako mag-focus kasi intindihin ko sila, pero deep inside nasasaktan ka talaga, and you had that strength to move forward. But don't worry, in the near future, Taurus, you have the Justice, so good karma is gonna come to you. Taurus, babalanse na itong buhay mo. A truth will come sa lugar mo, sa workplace mo, sa life mo. Magagawa mo na magdesisyon. I'm seeing you saying tama na, and you're getting the last laugh. I'm seeing you getting resolutions. So sa mga taong nagkakamali sa iyo o gumawa sa iyo ng masama, makakuha nila yung karma nila this week. For a lover who cheated on you or left you for another person dahil nalaman mo na yung katotohanan, now you're equipped na to move forward, na alam mo na, okay, malakas na ako, balance na yung life ko, makakarma din sila, I'm having this good life. Potentially, meron ka ding, I'm seeing for others, signing, whether a new job or a new contract or buying a new car, buying a new house, and that is your good karma for the things that you did in the past na magagandang bagay, and you just let things go. You took the high road, and now yung kapalaran nakatuon sa'yo and smiling to you kasi naging mabuti ka. Okay? So the Justice card is being clarified by the Two of Swords. Yes, pinili mo magpakabuti, pinili mo to do the right thing. Hindi mo sila ginantihan. You chose to be a better person. Kaya yung kapalaran sa'yo ay naging maganda. So, it's really, really a beautiful, beautiful near future for you, Taurus. Kasi pinairal mo yung giging mabuti mo at babalikan sa'yo tenfold. Okay? In the area of your challenge this week, Taurus, you have the Queen of Pentacles. Ang challenge sa'yo, pang hawakan yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Because you learn the truth and you're trying to be matatag, ang challenge sa'yo ay mag-nurture. Because you're so hurt, hindi mo alam kung kanino ka mag-vent ng iyong emosyon. Hindi mo alam kung paano, napapabayaan mo yung mga bagay na mahalaga sa'yo because you're too emotional, you're too hurt. So, make sure na kahit may pinagdaanan kang bagay, make sure na yung mga mahalaga sa'yo ay within reach mo at tinitignan mo pa rin, inaalagaan mo pa rin, kasi baka mamaya kaka-focus mo sa isang bagay, yung iba na papabayaan mo na. Know na kailangan maging logical ka pa rin. Know when to turn off your emotions so that you can see the bigger picture and makita mo kung ano dapat mong pahalagahan. At yun ang kailangan mong tuunan ng pansin kaysa din sa mga tao o mga bagay na walang ibang dinala sa'yo kundi hurt and pain. So, make sure na itong pentacle na hawak ni Queen dito ay nurture mo siya at nahahawakan mo siya at naaalagaan mo siya mabuti because Queen of Pentacles is like a mother nurturing their child, no? So, pahalagahan mo yung mga importante sa'yo para hindi sila mawala. So, Queen of Pentacles is being clarified by the Emperor, yeah. Someone is taking away your power. Someone is controlling you. Someone is making you so weak kaya hindi mo napapagkutuunan ng pansin yung ibang bagay. So, from the pain, try to regain power. From the failures o sa mga problema, trying to regain the power within you para unti-unti mo nang mahawakan o ma-attendan yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo. Okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Hierophant. Hindi pa rin ako sanay tawagin siyang the High Priest sa card deck na to. So the Hierophant is in your good fortune, meaning someone will come to you as a mentor, tutulungan ka para itong guides ito. Since I've said, kailangan mo ng mga group of people to help you navigate kung saan ka pupunta at anong gagawin mo. So a mentor will come to you, a teacher, a guru, or a boss, or a supervisor. Pwede ring tito, tita na may maalam sa bagay na gusto mong gawin. Or either a priest, if it's about you getting out of this marriage and getting justice. A priest or a judge will help you, or an attorney. Pasok yan dito sa High Priestess as a Hierophant. Since as a good fortune siya, I'm also seeing for other Taurus, you are studying again, going back to school. And for other Taurus na may creative project now, it's a time for you to go out of the box because Hierophant is about tradition and values. It's about boxing things, putting things in one perspective, and yun lang, putting you in one tradition at hindi ka pwedeng kumawala. So, since it's in a good fortune position, kailangan mong kumawala sa box. Mag-isip ka ng ibang bagay para magawa mo yung creative project mo, Taurus. For others, it's about really putting your marriage or relationship into court or finding advice from legal experts about this. For others, I'm seeing buying a house because of this key. So, kita ko buying a house or renting a new house or something peaceful, malaki, kasya sa pamilya nyo, o ito yung pinapangarap mong location o lugar o city o lupa na nabili mo. So, kita ko ito bahay for the Hierophant. So, congratulations in advance sa iyo, Taurus. Okay, Hierophant natin. The Hierophant, High Priest kasi. Ito sa pangalan niya, Hierophant. It's being clarified. The Ten of Cups, yes, it's really for your family. This mentorship, this new start, this brand new beginning na gusto mong simulan is for your family. So congratulations, a house for your whole family or a mentorship para magkaroon ka ng new start, new advices for you, Taurus. In the area of your advices, you have the Page of Pentacles. You learning to craft, learning to protect, and learning to engage sa mga bagay na gusto mong matupad. If it's about a negosyo, kailangan mong pag-aralan, kailangan mong pag-insayuhan. If it's a passion project, kailangan mo talaga siyang aralin. Sa trabaho naman, kailangan mo daw maging mas masigasig pa in order for you to really mapulido yung trabaho mo. And Ace of Cups, something na kailangan mong maging masaya in anything that you do daw, put your whole heart on it so that makuha mo yung matamis na resulta. That's what I'm hearing. Put your whole heart in anything that you do para makuha mo yung matamis na resulta. So the Page of Pentacles is being clarified by the Ten of Wands. In order para matapos yung burden sa life mo, you have to really focus on the things that are important. Marami ka ng burden o mga extra baggage sa life mo, so focus lang doon sa importante. Delegate, ibigay mo sa iba yung hindi mo kayang gawin. Focus lang sa kaya mo para mas maganda yung resulta, okay? Ace of Cups being clarified by the Strength. Dalawang beses daw ba si Strength? So, guard your heart daw. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan, Taurus, this past few weeks and past few months. Guard your heart. Ibigay mo lang yung lakas mo at saka yung effort mo and your worth mo sa mga importanteng tao at importanteng bagay. Something will come to you this week that will make you so happy because you're so resilient at matatag. victory card. May paparating sa iyo magandang bagay this week. Whether love life or a new endeavor or I'm hearing yes. So kung may question ka, yes ang sagot. Kung ano yung pinapangarap mo kuha, yes with the Ace of Cups. Bago tayo puntahan itong outcome mo na napakagandang Ace of Pentacles, let's first have some additional messages from the Oracle cards. First, we have number 28. Kung birthday nyo po on 28 o importante sa inyong edad o number of significance for you, this message is for you. If nakakita po kayo ng frog anywhere, personal, sa picture, internet, o napag-usapan rin nyo tungkol sa palaka, this message is a confirmation na ito pong reading ay para sa iyo. Frog spirit, clear out the clutter. Yes, yung mga hindi na importante. Kung love life ito na sumira sa iyo o nang gulo sa iyo, you will have your good karma. Clean things para may bagong simula na parating. Ace of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. New things are gonna come to you. So, alisin mo na yung mga hindi importante and charge with the Chariot card. Another message, work through your fears. New Moon in Scorpio. Beautiful. Work in your fears. Alam ko nahihirapan ka at nahihiya kang makipag-communicate sa iba, makipagtrabaho sa iba. I-work mo daw yung mga bagay na kinakatakot mo so that you can move forward. Okay? Pati itong, sabi ko kanina, binabox mo yung sarili mo o nakado ka sa tradisyon, get out of your comfort zone, get out of the box, and do the things na something new for you and for your family, for your happiness. Okay? Another message is Mystic Healer with the High Priestess here. Healing energy flows through you. Wow. Sa dami mong pinagdaanan, you have the strength here. Dalawa. Naging matatag ka. You need to really move forward. Forget mo na itong 5 of Cups, yung mga bagay in the past na hindi na para sa'yo at hindi mo na nakuha. Move forward because you have a victory within you. So the outcome this week, Taurus, you have the Ace of Pentacles, new life, new opportunity, new job, o may bagong kakaperahan, pwede ka manalo sa lot. I'm not seeing jackpot ha, I'm seeing like money given to you or something you're gonna win. But ito yung perang magagamit mo this week, Taurus, na for a brand new start, for bahay, siguro a new opportunity for you, a new negosyo. So congratulations in advance, Taurus. Ace of Pentacles being clarified by the Page of Cups. This is a surprising na gift coming from the divine. Hindi mo to inaasahang dating sa'yo. So this Feb 10 and 16, there will be a brand new surprise coming to you, a grand surprise about money, about your pinagkakakitaan, about negosyo, o ma-approve ka na with this new job offer, o magkakaroon ka ng bagong negosyo. Something will come to you unexpectedly. So, congratulations in advance, Taurus. It's gonna be a prosperous and beautiful and blessings parating sa'yo this week. So, congratulations, Taurus. Kung saan po kayo naka-resonate, please comment down below. And thank you again for the likes, for the subscriptions, and for not skipping the ads. Malaki pong tulong sa akin yan. And thank you for the support. And babalik po sa inyo yan tenfold ang prosperity and abundance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time for your weekly reading, Taurus. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.